In the modern data-driven technology landscape, having self-service access to all of your data sources isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. As a fully managed service, InterSystems Data Fabric Studio provides this access in an easy-to-use solution. With an intuitive interface, you can integrate, analyze, and report on all internal and third-party data in a unified environment. Data analysts, stewards, and engineers, without relying on IT experts, can transform data from various sources into a single source of truth. This unified data can empower reporting, improve analysis, and streamline data operations for your business. Let's explore the user interface of Data Fabric Studio to see how to execute its various data management actions. One of the most common tasks you will perform is data loading. To do this, navigate to the Management tab of the user interface and explore the Data Loader menu. Here, you can define and manage your data sources, ensuring a smooth flow of data into the solution from APIs, databases, or direct file system inputs. You can also view your credentials from this menu. Data Fabric Studio stores encrypted credentials needed to automatically conduct various data management tasks, such as running scheduled reports. To import and manage your data schemas, you can navigate to the Data Catalog tab and provide a structured view of incoming data. Each schema is associated with a specific external data source and describes the structure of a single data element, such as a table or a delimited file. One of the core features of Data Fabric Studio is the ability to create recipes, which act as the blueprint for data processing within the solution. Think of these as sets of instructions or steps that the solution uses to transform, validate, reconcile, and promote your data to its final form. Recipes are the key to tailoring your workflows to meet your exact analytical needs, ensuring your organization's data is precise, reliable, and ready to analyze. Let's look at a full recipe to see the processing journey your data might go through. In the initial phase of the data's journey, staging activities, data is loaded from your defined sources into intermediate areas known as staging tables. Next, with transformation activities, you can define the transformation steps that manipulate your data into the proper form by aggregating data points, converting data types, or applying entirely custom transformations. After transforming your data, validation activities help ensure data integrity and accuracy by applying specific validation rules. With reconciliation activities, you can define the steps to compare and align data from different sources, reconciling inconsistencies. These activities prove particularly useful when integrating data from disparate systems, helping to create a unified view of your data. Next, data promotion activities are used to move prepared data into structures suitable for analysis and reporting. Completing the recipe, you can add custom activities at each stage of the data processing journey if you need any custom processing. You can also see the full run history of a recipe from its top menu. To schedule recipes or other tasks, or to run tasks manually, you can use the Business Scheduler. Here, you can also specify dependencies, frequency, notifications, holiday schedules, and more. Aside from scheduling and running recipes, you can use the solution for other data management operations. In the Workflow Inbox tab, you will see workflow tasks or errors that need to be reviewed and resolved. To set up and manage your holiday calendars, select the Entity Master tab. As an example, if the market is closed on Thanksgiving in the United States and you don't want certain recipes to run on that day, you can specify that condition. In the Management tab, where we initially looked at data loading, you can find the administration areas for setting up user permissions, single sign-on configurations, and other settings. Because Data Fabric Studio is built on top of InterSystems Iris, it is equipped with a robust backend that ensures your data is securely stored and managed. Once this data is in the solution, you can query it using the data tool of your choice by connecting via ODBC or JDBC. You can also query using the embedded SQL Explorer. For data aggregation and reporting, the full functionality of InterSystems Iris Adaptive Analytics is built into the solution. By defining cubes and aggregation rules, you can prepare data for in-depth analysis, supporting complex calculations and insights based on a variety of data sources. With its intuitive user interface, InterSystems Data Fabric Studio provides easy access to these key capabilities, empowering you to manage your data lifecycle comprehensively, from initial load to insightful reporting.